there, I'm now going to show you how to use the grid method for multiplication of larger numbers. So here we've got the same question, 154 times 26, that I've explained in the long multiplication video as well. The grid method is just another way of doing it, and it breaks it down. What I always say about maths is that you learn all these different ways of doing it and then you choose the method that suits you the best. So this is the grid method. So I've already drawn out my grid, so I just want to explain to you what I've done here. Along the top I've got the number 154. Partitioned or split into its different parts. 100 and 50 and 4. 154. Down the side I've got my number 26 partitioned into its 20 and its 6. We then need to do lots of multiplications. We need to multiply each part of 154 by 20, and we need to multiply each part of 154 by the 6. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you start with the 20 times the 100. Now, a good way to do this, I'm always saying to the boys and girls, is to do 2 times 100 and make it 10 times bigger by then putting the 0 back on the end. 2 times 100 is 200, put the 0 back on the end is 2000. Again, 20 times the 50 is what's going to go into this box here. 2 times 5 is 100, 2 times 50 is 100, make it 10 times bigger, it's 1000. And then here we have 20 times 4. So 20 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8. Put a 0 back on to make it 10 times bigger, is 80. You then do the next row down, and this time you're multiplying every part of 154 by the number 6. 6 times 100 is 600. 6 times 50, 6 times 5 is 30, make it 10 times bigger, 300. 6 times 4 is 24. Now you've got your answers to all the parts of the multiplication, we need to add them all back together. So the best way to add them all back together is to add the rows, and then you're going to add those parts back together. So 2000 and 1080 makes 3080. 600, 300 and the 24 makes 924. You're then needing just to add those two parts together at the end. 0 and 4 is 4, 8 and 2 is 10, 9 and 1 is 10, 3 and 1 is 4. So your answer is 4004.